Hello everybody, it's your boy Alex Reitz. Time is 4:22 p.m. Same day. This is my last Snapple taste test because now there's nothing left in the vending machine for Snapple. There's a couple Snapples left, but they're old ones. I did the Apple one. Posted that on YouTube, I think. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Check it out. Sorry, I had to reply to Ryan, my friend Ryan. He wants to build a YouTube channel. I'll reply to him after this video. So here, guys, here's Snapple. Snapple half and half lemonade iced tea. I had a feeling I had a good flavor of that. Never had it before, but here's another fun fact coming to you from Snapple. Before I hear it. I'll be right back. Hold on, let me check this. So, Australia is wider than the moon. I don't know how that works. But apparently it is. Okay, let's just drink this tea. Is this a new bottle? No, this is not an old. This is an old bottle. Because it has the feet on it. And stump. That's not important. Anyway. Scan QR code for a fun time every time. I wonder what that is. I'm going to shake this up. Just get this flavor diluted a little bit because it's probably been sitting idle for a long time. Now it's better. Ryan, my friend Ryan P. He didn't go viral, but he got 2,800 views on his bowling video. Like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago now. And he wants to build a YouTube channel. So I'm not monetized yet. And I'm going to probably like to be monetized. Can't go wrong with being monetized on YouTube. 1,106 now? No. 110. Because I'm at 1.11 thousand. At least I just posted a video. It's getting up there and views. It's like 600 views. No, 1,700 views I think right now. I'm already getting comments on the video. It's a Nickelodeon theme song. Repost from TikTok. It's getting up there in views. I'm very happy. I guess when you reach 1,000 subscribers, you've reached a threshold of people's attention. Because it took me a while to get to 1,000 subscribers. It just recently exploded. It's in the next 2 weeks it exploded. But I'm a little bit less than halfway to the 4,000 hour goal. Like 1,200 to 4,000. I don't know what that is. I think it's less than 50. Not by much, though. Come with me. So, this is an old bottle. It's not recyclable, but it's old. Snapple half and half lemonade iced tea. Awesome. If you guys have any questions or concerns or anything at all, do not hesitate to ask. Please do not hesitate to ask. Comment on the side. I know I'm a small TikToker. I made hundreds, if not 1,000 videos yet. Excuse me, sorry. And I'm trying to get to 200. My goal by the end of the year is to reach 200. I just need 4 more subscribers. That's literally all I need. I'm trying to get there. I mean, that's just what my followers. 4 followers. I'm at 196. And you know what? I'm gonna get there eventually. I don't know what's considered viral because I don't want to copy other people's content without giving them the credit, because I've done that before and I've kind of lost it at the same time. I've lost my credibility, so I'm like, I don't want to waste it. But you guys know it. You guys know I'm a major YouTuber with I'm not monetized yet, which I would love to be monetized, but soon. I will see you guys later. Peace. Time is 4:30. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's in the link in my bio. Make sure to subscribe. Trying to get to 1,200 subscribers by the end of the year, which is in either by the end of the month or by the end of the year, whichever one comes first. Obviously, the months will come before the year because we have like 3 more months before the end of the year. 13 weeks until Christmas, guys. 13 weeks until Christmas. Can you believe that? 13 weeks. Well, I guess 12 weeks now, but whatever. You know what I mean. Peace, guys.